Hello everyone, and welcome to today's presentation. I am Assoc, Prof. Yasser Madany, and I am pleased to be here with you. I am a senior member of IEEE and also a URSI senior member. Today, we will be exploring careers in information technology. In this session, we'll cover the fundamentals of IT, the opportunities it offers, and some insights into advancing your career in this exciting field. I'm looking forward to sharing this journey with you, so let's get started. Let's take a moment to look at the outline for today's presentation. On this slide, I want to give you a clear roadmap of what we'll be covering. First, we'll go through the key points thoroughly, but I'll keep it conversational so it's easy to follow. I'll highlight the most important concepts along the way to make sure you remember the core ideas. Lastly, I'll connect each point back to the overall theme of the presentation, showing how everything fits together to give you a complete understanding of the topic. This outline is designed to keep us focused and ensure we cover all the critical areas effectively. Welcome to this overview slide. Here, I want to give you a clear picture of what we'll cover today. We'll start by highlighting the key points that form the core of our discussion. These points are essential because they set the foundation for understanding the overall theme. As we go through each one, I'll explain how they connect to the bigger picture and why they matter. This overview is designed to give you a roadmap of what to expect and to ensure we're all aligned as we dive deeper into the details. So, let's keep in mind that each of these points plays a role in shaping our understanding and guiding our next steps. Let's take a closer look at software development. This is a crucial part of our overall process because it involves creating the actual tools and systems that enable us to achieve our goals. Software development isn't just about writing code. It's about designing solutions that are efficient, reliable, and scalable. It requires a deep understanding of user needs and translating those needs into functional software. Throughout our project, software development acts as the backbone, supporting everything from data management to user interaction. By focusing on best practices, quality assurance, and continuous improvement, we ensure that our software remains effective and adaptable to changing requirements. Ultimately, successful software development ties directly into our theme of innovation and delivering value through technology. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. Let's take a closer look at IT infrastructure. This is the backbone of any organization's technology environment. It includes all the physical and virtual resources that support our IT services. Think servers, storage devices, networking equipment, and the data centers that house them. But it's not just hardware. Software, such as operating systems and management tools, also plays a crucial role. A robust IT infrastructure ensures that our systems are reliable, scalable, and secure. It's what allows us to process data efficiently, support business operations, and enable innovation. And as we focus on digital transformation, having a flexible and resilient IT infrastructure becomes even more critical. Ultimately, it connects everything together, supporting our overall technology strategy and business goals. Now, let's take a closer look at data management. This group is all about how we store, structure, and retrieve data in the most efficient way possible. The key here is designing databases that not only hold data securely, but also ensure that the information is accurate and readily available. This is crucial because accurate and accessible data supports decision-making and strategic planning, which are vital for any organization's success. When we think about the roles in this field, you'll often hear about database administrators, data architects, data modelers, and cloud specialists, all working together to keep data flowing smoothly and securely. Switching gears, let's talk about IT support. This team provides the technical backbone, helping to resolve issues with computers, phones, networks, printers, and other devices. Their role is to ensure that the technology we rely on daily is functioning properly so that everyone can work without interruptions. Common roles here include support staff, support engineers, business analysts, and support managers. They are the frontline in troubleshooting and maintaining our tech environment. Both of these groups are essential in keeping our digital infrastructure strong and reliable, which ties back to our overall theme of how different IT functions contribute to organizational success. Let's talk about cybersecurity. This is a crucial aspect of our digital landscape today. Essentially, cybersecurity involves protecting our systems, networks, and data from unauthorized access or attacks. It's like creating a fortress around our digital assets. Key points to remember are the importance of strong passwords, regular updates, and awareness of potential threats like phishing scams. These measures help prevent breaches and safeguard sensitive information. Cybersecurity is not just an IT issue. It's a fundamental part of our overall strategy to ensure trust and integrity in all our operations. As we continue to innovate and connect more devices, the importance of robust cybersecurity measures becomes even more critical to protect our organization and our stakeholders. Let's talk about computer forensics. This field is all about uncovering and analyzing digital evidence from computers and other electronic devices. It's a crucial part of investigating cybercrimes and security breaches. The key idea here is that computer forensics helps us track down what happened, how it happened, and who might be responsible. One important concept is that it requires specialized skills and tools to carefully extract and preserve digital evidence without tampering. This ensures that the evidence remains admissible in court. Connecting this to the overall theme, computer forensics underscores the importance of understanding digital footprints and maintaining integrity of evidence in our increasingly digital world. It's about combining technical expertise with legal and investigative knowledge to solve cyber-related issues effectively. Let's take a closer look at research and development, often called R&D. This is a critical part of driving innovation and staying ahead in our industry. It involves investing time and resources into creating new products, improving existing ones, or developing new technologies. When we focus on R&D, we're essentially laying the groundwork for future growth and competitive advantage. By prioritizing research and development, we can discover new solutions that meet emerging customer needs and adapt to market changes quickly. It's about fostering a culture of continuous innovation, which is vital for long-term success. In the broader context of our presentation, R&D connects directly to our goal of maintaining leadership and pushing boundaries. It's not just about staying current, but about setting the pace and shaping the future of our industry. So, investing in R&D is really about investing in our company's future. Careers supporting IT is a really exciting and vital part of the technology landscape. It highlights the many roles that keep IT systems running smoothly and securely. These careers are essential because they support the backbone of almost every organization today. From network administrators to cybersecurity specialists, these roles ensure that data flows seamlessly and remains protected. I want to emphasize how important it is to have skilled professionals in these areas, especially as technology becomes more complex. Supporting it isn't just about fixing problems, it's about proactively maintaining systems and enabling innovation. When we talk about careers in this space, we're talking about opportunities to build a stable, rewarding career while helping organizations succeed in a digital world. This ties back to the overall theme of the presentation, how technology is transforming careers and industries across the board. Let's talk about the skills needed to succeed in it. First, technical skills are obviously essential. This means having a solid understanding of programming languages, networking, cybersecurity, and other core IT concepts. But technical know-how alone isn't enough. Soft skills are just as important. Effective communication helps you explain complex ideas clearly, especially when working with non-technical teams or clients. Problem-solving skills are crucial because IT professionals constantly face new challenges that require creative solutions. Additionally, adaptability is key in this rapidly changing field. Staying current with new technologies and trends is vital. Finally, a strong work ethic and a willingness to learn can set you apart. Remember, success in it isn't just about knowing the tools, it's about applying them thoughtfully, communicating effectively, and continuously growing. These skills together form the foundation for a thriving career in it. let's take a closer look at organizational and project management skills, which are essential soft skills in any professional setting. These skills really help us coordinate efforts effectively and keep projects on track. When we talk about organizational skills, we're referring to our ability to plan, prioritize, and manage our time and resources efficiently. This ensures that tasks are completed on schedule and nothing falls through the cracks. Project management skills, on the other hand, involve overseeing a project from start to finish, setting clear goals, assigning responsibilities, monitoring progress, and adjusting plans as needed. Both of these skills are interconnected and crucial for successful teamwork and leadership. By mastering these soft skills, we can enhance our ability to lead projects confidently, communicate clearly with team members, and adapt to changing circumstances. These skills support the overall theme of effective professional growth and success, showing that technical knowledge alone isn't enough. How we manage ourselves and others makes all the difference. Let's talk about familiarity with office tools and basic computer skills. These are fundamental skills that form the backbone of efficient work in today's digital environment. When we say familiarity with office tools, we're referring to a comfortable knowledge of programs like Word, Excel, PowerPoint, and Outlook. These tools are essential for creating documents, managing data, preparing presentations, and staying organized through email and scheduling. Having strong basic computer skills means you can navigate your computer confidently, understand how to use operating systems, manage files and folders, and troubleshoot common issues. It's about being comfortable with the technology you rely on daily, which directly impacts your productivity. These skills are not just technical, they're skills that enable you to communicate effectively, manage information efficiently, and work collaboratively. As we move through this presentation, keep in mind how developing these skills supports your overall growth and adaptability in any professional setting. They're the foundation for leveraging technology to achieve your goals. Let's talk about Wi-Fi access and web skills. Wi-Fi access is the backbone of our modern digital world. It's what keeps us connected to the internet whether we're at home, in a coffee shop, or on the go. Having reliable Wi-Fi is essential for accessing information quickly and efficiently. Now, moving on to web skills. These are the abilities we develop to navigate, use, and understand the internet effectively. This includes knowing how to search for information, evaluate sources, and communicate online. Together, Wi-Fi access and web skills are fundamental. They empower us to participate fully in today's digital society, whether for learning, working, or staying connected with others. Developing strong web skills ensures we can make the most of the internet's vast resources, while good Wi-Fi access makes sure those resources are always within reach. This synergy is key to thriving in our connected world. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. This slide doesn't contain enough information. That's why we're moving to the next slide. Thank you for your attention throughout this presentation. If you have any questions or would like to connect further, please feel free to reach out. You can contact me via email at contact@Madany.com or Dr. Yasser, Madany@yahoo.com. Additionally, I'm available through Madany@IEE.org. For more information about my work and projects, please visit my website at https://imadany.com. Once again, I really appreciate your time and interest. Thank you.